Hello friends, welcome back to the video series in Basics of Shell Scripting. In the previous video, we have already discussed how we can use the for loop in shell scripting, more precisely in the bash shell scripting. In this video, we would check how we can use the for loop with commands in shell scripting. Let us check it with some examples, and also we are using the same file hello.sh as usual, whatever we have used in the previous videos. So the first one, here we are writing for, then the keyword comments. Suppose comment, then we are providing the keyword in, and as usual in between the for keyword and the variable comment there must be a space, and also the keyword in and the variable comment there must be a space. Now after that in keyword we should provide a space, and now we are typing ls, then a space, pwd, then another space, and we are providing date. As you know that ls, pwd and date, these three are the comments. Practically ls, pwd and date executes one by one. After that the keyword do, and then we are providing suppose echo, and here suppose we are providing the dollar, the name of the comment, then we are providing double quote, and that just nothing prints the name of the comment, and after that we are using the main comment, that is dollar comment. That means the comment for ls, pwd or the date. The for loop must be end with the keyword done. Let's check what should be the output. So open the terminal, Ctrl L to clear the screen, and now bash hello.sh. At first suppose we are zooming out the text. So here bash hello.sh. So press enter. The first one, that is hello, ls. So what is the listing of files in the directory, and hello.sh. Next one is the pwd, that means the present working directory. So that is /home /sumandash/desktop, and final execution of the command, that is date, and that is the date. Now if we execute the commands separately, we can also find the same output, except the date, the time should be different. Now suppose we add another comment to the line number 3. Like suppose here we are adding another comment, that is cal, for calendar, and we can also check the output. Ctrl S to save the file, and let's check what should be the output here. Ctrl L to clear the screen, and here the final one output is for the calendar. Now there is another practical example using the script. Now from where the script is executed, here we have to create some directories such as new1, new2, new3, and we can execute. So here at first ls, then minus a. Here the directory is present in the desktop directory or desktop folder. There is practically no desktop. Now we would create a directory using the script to list only the directories using for loops. And here we are using for item, and after that the in. Then we are providing another special character that is known as the asterisk. Asterisk for each files and directories and used as wild card. After that the do. Now here we can check if minus d, that is for the directory, if item is a directory, that minus d is used for the checking. Then we are providing dollar item, end of the if, then the end of square bracket. The next keyword is the then. Then we are providing echo and dollar item. Sorry, that must be item. And after the item there must be fi to end the if condition, then the done to end the for loop. So you can see it better as we are zooming in. So Ctrl S to save the file. Let we execute the script. Ctrl L to clear the screen and bash hello.sh. So there is no listing. And why? Because there is no directory. So there is no directory present in the desktop folder. So at first we are creating some directories. mkdir, suppose new 1. So using ls minus a we can find the new one is present here. So now if we execute the script bash hello.sh, there is an error. Practically we cannot use the hash sign here, we have to use the asterisk signs here for the wildcard. Ctrl S to save the file, and now we can check. So bash hello.sh, now you can see the new one is the output here. So once again, suppose we are creating more 2 directories, mkdir new 2 and mkdir new 3. So ls minus a, you can check new 1, new 2 and new 3. Now if we execute the script bash hello.sh, you can check the 3 directories are listed here. Now to list only the files, you can change the script, and here in place of minus d we are typing minus f, and as you know there is one file exists, that is hello.sh. Let's check what happens with the output in the scripting and hello.sh. So that is how we can use the for loop in shell script with comments. If you find the video is useful, you can like, share or comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.